Welcome back. So this episode we are at PirateLand Oceanfront Family Camping Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Kind of a mouthful. Most people just call it PirateLand. This is one of those places that we had seen online and seen brochures for at camping shows and different things, but it took some old family friends of mine from our hometown to invite us to tag along on their family trip to get us to pull the trigger on towing the RV up to PirateLand. So this is our third summer in a row to camp here, and so far we have no complaints. And the big attraction for this campground is that it is on the beach, like just a short walk from your campsite over the dunes, and your feet are in the sand. So no driving necessary, which is super nice. And they got lots else to offer as well, which I'll get into, but hope you enjoy, and I hope you get some valuable information about PirateLand.
So as I mentioned, PirateLand Oceanfront Family Campground is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The sites there are pretty spacious, I think. They are, they're all stacked next to each other, but you have enough room. The place is huge, though, as you can tell by the map. And a lot of these area you see away from the ocean is not camping. The area closest to the beach area is reserved for RVs. But as I said, it is right on the beach, and the place is just massive. I think there's almost 1,000 spots there, so we really enjoy it. And my kids have a good time when we're there every year, and like I said, we're there with friends. The big advantage is a lot of the sites have these 10-foot by 10-foot permanent wooden gazebo structures on your site for you to use. We add some plastic around the edge of ours to keep everything dry, but that is really convenient to not have to worry about putting up one of the easy up canopies that'll get destroyed by the wind. And you can get some grassy spots with some shade, but the trade-off for that is you're further away from the ocean and you don't have that wooden gazebo. Like all campgrounds, they have a large camp store with supplies if you need it, and plenty of souvenirs. And they bring in food trucks every day. They kind of alternate. They have one truck that comes in a couple days a week that specializes in chicken. It's called the Southern Chicken, and they're there 2 days or 3 days of the week. I can't quite remember. And then they have a Hog Heaven barbecue food truck that comes in, and they do actually a barbecued shrimp night on Friday, which is really good as well. The big attraction, though, for my family and especially for my daughters is the water amenities that they have here. Very large pool and kind of a small splash pad, and then a huge lazy river, which compared to a lot of other campgrounds we've been to, this lazy river is very large, and it does get very crowded when we were there in June. It does get very crowded in the afternoon hours. A lot of kids, and in fact there was a couple times where we went that you could not even find a tube to use, and they don't allow you to get in without a tube. So, we have a lot of fun with that. And my youngest daughter really loves that they have a very large splash pad area. It's very pirate themed. They have like a pirate ship in the middle, and a lot of kids there, and that's really fun for my daughters to be able to interact with a lot of kids. I've said many times they make a friend everywhere they go, so they really enjoy that as well. And they have an indoor pool that we didn't really take advantage of. I'm sure it's more popular in the cooler weather months, but for us, we didn't take advantage of that. And again, the big attraction for us is the proximity to the ocean and the beach. We go out every day and hang out on the sand, and there's, like I said, a large group, so several families. So typically someone every day will go out early and kind of get us set up and kind of reserve a spot, put our umbrellas up, and then one by one each family kind of makes their way out to the beach. But the good thing is it's close enough to the campsite that if you don't want to pack a lunch for the beach like you might have to do at other places if you drive there, it's easy to run back to the RV and make a lunch if you like. And we usually stay out there probably 5-6 hours every day. So we did go out to eat once while we're at Myrtle Beach, and we go to Captain George's Seafood Buffet. As buffets go, it's pretty run of the mill for the most part, but the big attraction here that we love is that it does include all you can eat snow crab legs. So some of the boys in our group have a little friendly competition. I'm pretty sure somebody ate 20 crab clusters this year. And we always try to go play putt-putt one night while we're there as well. Myrtle Beach has tons of that kind of stuff to offer. The reason we only had to go out to eat once during the entire trip is because all the families take turns, and we do kind of a dinner rotation. We sign up ahead of time and say what we're going to make and what day we would prefer to do it. But it's really convenient because you only have to make dinner once, and it's a good bit of work that one night. But the rest of the time, you get to just show up and eat. So our night we did tacos. And we provide all the fixings, you know, queso and salsa and all that good stuff. And it's one of our favorite meals to do whenever we're camping anyways. So it's fun to share it with a large crowd. And along with providing the beef tacos and shrimp tacos for everybody, one of my favorite things to do, we did bacon fried corn on the Blackstone griddle as well. Really good. Just fry up some bacon, dump some corn in, add some butter, taco seasoning. It's one of the favorites, and if I had made twice as much as I did, it probably still would have all gotten eaten. And we do frozen margaritas for everybody as well. Of course, some are family friendly with no alcohol. One thing we enjoy is the golf cart parade every night. Everybody decorates their golf carts with different inflatables on top and flashing lights, and everybody's playing music. And it kind of reminds me when I was younger of kind of cruising the strip in high school down at Panama City Beach. It's very similar to that. It's just much more family friendly, and a lot of people participate. But that's our review of PirateLand, and give it a look. It's about a 7-hour drive for us north of Atlanta. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and we'll see you next time.